Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer your Roblox account to another device. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorial. Now, first up, let's say for example that you're trying to log into your PC, or you'd be on a console or any other devices, and you have your account already logged in to your phone. Okay, so what you'll do is go ahead over to your console, again, computer, and then just go ahead over to roblox.com/login. Now on your phone, go to more right here at the bottom right, tap on it, now scroll all the way down, okay? Scroll all the way down and tap on quick sign in. Tap on it. As you can see here, it needs a code. So what you'll do on your console or computer is just click on use another device. Click on it. As you can see, we now have a code. So what you'll do is just basically copy the code from here to your phone, okay? XVTWQJ. Yours might be different. Okay, just click on enter right here. And it says here, this new device will receive access to your account, Roblox, and inventory. Just tap on confirm login right here. And as you can see, just wait for it to log you in. And there you have it. That is how you transfer your Roblox account to another device. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.